Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to make our very own video game map. The map is like the game world where the characters can walk around, explore, and have adventures. A map in a game like ours is like a big puzzle made out of tiny squares called tiles. Each tile is a small piece of the world, like floor, water, or a wall. We're going to use a cool free program called Tiled to design our game's map and the tiles that make it up. You can download Tiled from the website mapeditor.org. Next, you'll need to find some tiles that you like. You can download tile sets from websites like deviantart.com or opengameart.org. Make sure you check that you're allowed to use the artist's work, and don't forget to give them credit. You can find the links to the tile set we used in the video description. Once you've downloaded your tile set, it's time to design your map. Open Tiled and click on File, New Tile Set. Give your tile set a name. Make sure the Embed in Map box is unchecked. Then choose the tile set file you just downloaded. Now you need to tell the program how big each tile is. For our game, we'll use 32 by 32 pixels. Save your tile set. Now you can see all the tiles in your set, ready for building your map. Now let's create a simple map together. Click on File, New Map. For this tutorial, we'll make a small map that's 5 by 5 tiles. In the center of your screen, you'll see a blank grid where we'll build our map. At the bottom right, you'll find your tile set. To stamp a tile onto the map, just click on the tile you want from the tile set. Then click on the grid where you want to place it. Tiled has a really cool feature called layers. Layers let you put one tile on top of another. For example, you can put a wall tile on one layer and then add a candle on top of the wall using another layer. This makes your map look even more detailed and fun. For this demo, I've made a very simple map using just 5 types of tiles: walls, shallow water, green carpet floor, sand, red floor. Instead of using the entire tile set with hundreds of tiles, let's make a smaller tile set that only has the tiles we need. Create a map of 1 by 5 tiles. Stamp the 5 tiles we are going to use in our game. Once done, save the tile set and export it as a PNG image file. Everything is now ready to use in our game. In the next video, we'll show you how to add the map we just made into our game so that our hero can explore it.